Furniture assembly has now become easy. Way easier. All you need is a click. Click. With Threespine, you don't need any tools, or any screws, plugs, or fittings. It's fast, easy, and gives perfect results. A flexible tongue locks the panels with a click. The furniture becomes very stable and looks much better without any visible holes for fittings. You can dismantle the furniture without causing any damage. And then put it back together again. All you need is a click. It's easy.